I don't think people realize just how sneaky cats are with their bathroom habits. Meanwhile, dogs, zero shame. Let's get to the bottom of this. Here's the scoop. Cats are born to be tidy. It's instinct. They cover their poop to hide their scent from predators. Basically, your kitty is acting like a wild jungle cat in your bathroom. But dogs, they don't care. In the wild, leaving their poop out there actually marks their territory. So the next time your cat buries treasure and your dog just drops the mic, remember, it's not manners, it's ancient survival skills. Which team are you on? Team Ninja Cat or Team Proud Pup?